Hello students, how are you all? I hope that you all are good. As we know, the series of motion in a plane is going on and we have successfully finished the 18 lectures, right? So in a previous lecture that we have discussed about introduction on projectile motion. So what is the meaning of projectile motion? What is the velocity component along initial velocity component along horizontal direction and vertical direction? Okay, so what is the final velocity of the object along vertical direction? Okay, so velocity vector at any given time t and the velocity vector at any given height h and the displacement vector s bar, all these things that we are discussed in our previous lecture, right? So in today's lecture that we are going to discuss about time of flight of a projectile body and its a horizontal range and the maximum height reached by the object. H maximum is equals to how much in case of projectile motion and applications based on these three: H maximum, range, and the time concept. These three concepts. Okay, right. So same at the end of the lecture, we are going to solve some example problems. So this is what exactly that we are going to discuss in today's lecture. Right? Are you ready? Right. So my name is Rakesh Kanaganti. Welcome to our beautiful physics channel, Rakesh Sir Physics. Okay, right. Shall we start the session? Okay. So what is the chapter going on? So the chapter is motion in a plane. Motion in a plane. Right. So this is a class number 19. Okay, this is a class number 19. 19. So what is today's concept? Projectile motion part 2. Okay, projectile motion, projectile motion part 2. Okay, right. So in a previous lecture, what we have discussed, ma? So in a previous lecture that we have discussed about what is the meaning of projectile motion. So have a look. If any object is projected into the air other than 90 degrees with the horizontal, then the object makes projectile motion. So have a look. And just projected an object like this. So initial velocity of this projectile object is u, and this initial velocity is making an angle theta with the horizontal. Okay, horizontal means what? X-axis and the y-axis. Okay, so along x direction or horizontal direction, what is its initial velocity? Here I am writing along x-axis and along y-axis. So initial velocity component ux is equals to u cos theta, and the acceleration of the object along x direction is equals to how much, ma? 0. So in a yesterday class, I told you all these things. Okay. So final velocity of the object along x direction, which is equals to initial velocity of the object along x direction, that is u cos theta. Right. So the displacement vector sx is equals to, okay, u cos theta into t. U cos theta into t. This is the information along x direction. So along y direction, uy initial velocity along x direction ux cos theta perpendicular to this u sin theta. So acceleration of the object along y direction, how much, ma? Minus g. Final velocity vy is equals to, okay, u sin theta minus gt as a function of t. Okay, right. So the displacement sy is equals to, okay, so u sin theta into t minus half g t square. Are you getting, ma? All these things that we have discussed in our previous lecture. So from this we are written the equation for velocity vector of the projectile body at any given time t. So what is that? So v bar is equals to vx I cap plus vy j cap. So what is vx? U cos theta into I cap plus what is vy? U sin theta minus gt into j cap at any particular instant of time. This is the velocity of an object. Okay, so at any particular instant of height h, the velocity of the object u cos theta into I cap plus under root of u square sin square theta minus 2a 2gs. So this is a velocity of an object at a particular instant of height h as a function of displacement, velocity as a function of displacement, final velocity in this case as a function of time. Okay, so all these things that we have discussed in our previous lecture. If you wanted to find out displacement vector, s bar is equals to sx I cap plus sy j cap. So what is sx? Sx is equals to u cos theta into I cap plus sy is equals to what, ma? U sin theta minus half g t square into j cap. So So this is what we have discussed exactly in a previous lecture, and we have did one problem based on this concept, right? Okay. So in today's lecture, what is our topic? So time of flight. So first one, time of flight. Time of flight. So what is the meaning of time of flight? Have a look. Here we have taken one object and we have projected that object by making an angle theta with the horizontal. This theta was to be other than 90 degrees. Then this object makes what ma? Projectile motion. As we know that in a previous lecture I told you that this is a point A and this is a point B and this is a point of C. Okay, right. So what is this? This is a maximum height, H maximum. At a point B, we got a H maximum. At a H maximum, the velocity component, final velocity component along y direction is equals to 0. So in a projectile body, the acceleration due to gravity Ay is equals to minus g. The vertical component of acceleration of projectile body ay vertical component is equals to how much minus g. So whenever the object is moving from point A to point B, its vertical velocity component will be decreases. At point B maximum height, its final velocity is 0. When the object is moving from point B to point C, again its velocity will be increases. Which velocity? Final velocity component, okay, along vertical direction, right? So this is what we have discussed in a previous lecture. So what is the meaning of time of flight? So time of flight means from point A, we are projected an object, right? So from point A, we are projected an object. So time of flight means the total time taken by the projectile body. So what is this? It is a projectile body. So the total time taken by the projectile body to complete its projectile motion is called a time of flight. So the total time taken by the projectile body to complete its projectile motion. So that time is called what ma? Time of flight. So what is the meaning of time of flight? The total time, the total time taken by projectile body, projectile body to complete its a projectile motion. To complete its a projectile motion is called what ma? Is called time of flight. Okay, so time of flight can be denoted by TF, time of flight. Okay, so time of flight is nothing but the sum of time of ascent plus time of descent. Already I told you in a one dimensional motion. Okay, so in case of vertically projected body, what is the meaning of time of flight? So the total time taken by the object to reach the maximum height from the point of projection and to reach the point of projection from maximum height. Then whatever the total time taken by that object is called what ma? Time of flight. So what is the meaning of time of ascent? Time of ascent. TA. So capital TA, small TA is nothing but the time taken by the time taken by projectile body projectile body to reach to reach maximum height to reach maximum height from point of projection point of projection. So what is the meaning of time of ascent ma? So the time taken by the projectile body to reach the maximum height from point of projection. So have a look. So here is the point of projection is there. Capital A is the point of projection. So from the point of projection, the time taken by the object to reach maximum height. The time taken by the object to reach maximum height from the point of projection. So from the point of projection. So how much time taken by this projectile body to reach point B? That means A to B. A to B is called what ma? Time of ascent. Okay, are you getting? Right. So I wanted to find the time of ascent. Let us consider. So I'm taking the equation of motion, that is V is equals to U plus AT. So it is along vertical direction. It is along vertical direction. So Vy is equals to U by AYT. Final velocity of the object along vertical direction at a maximum point. The final velocity of the object along y direction at a maximum point is how much ma? 0. Vy at B is equals to 0 because it is a maximum height. Are you getting? Okay, sir. So Vy is equals to how much? 0. That is equals to Uy. Uy component is what, ma? U sin theta. Ay. What is Ay? Minus G. What is time? Where T is nothing but time of ascent. Time of ascent T A. So from this we can write, if minus gt come to this side, it becomes gta is equals to u sin theta. So from this we can write time of ascent is equals to u sin theta by g. U sin theta by g. Okay. Any difficulty is there? So time of ascent is equals to, we got u sin theta by g. So next I wanted to find the time of descent. So time of descent. So T D. So time of descent means what, ma? Time taken by the object to reach maximum height to point C. So time taken by the object or the projectile. Time taken by the projectile body to reach B to C from figure, ma. Okay, B point to C point. So the time of descent. So the time of descent is equals to, you will get the same thing, ma. Okay, what is that? U sin theta by G. If you do the same process, you will get the time of descent is also U sin theta by G. That means time of ascent is equals to time of descent is equals to U sin theta by G. So the time taken by the object to reach from point of projection to maximum height is equals to the same time is taken by that object to reach maximum height to point C. Are you getting? So A to B, u sin theta by G. B to C, same, u sin theta by G. Time of ascent and time of descent both are same. Are you getting? Right. Now what we have to find? We have to find the time of flight. So what is the time of flight? Total time of ascent plus time of descent. So time of flight is equals to time of ascent is what? U sin theta by G plus time of descent u sin theta by G. U sin theta by G plus u sin theta by G will get 2u sin theta by G. So this is the time of flight. Time of what, ma? Flight. So the total time taken by the body to complete its projectile motion. How much time it takes? 2u sin theta by G. Right? Any difficulty is there? Any problem? No problem is there, na? Easy thing, na? Right. So pause the video and write the notes. Pause the video and write the notes. 3, 2, 1, go. So time of ascent, the equation for time of ascent is equals to how much, ma? U sin theta by G. And the time of descent is equals to, we got TD is equals to again U sin theta by G. So time of flight TF is equals to, we got 2U sin theta by G. So this is what time taken by the object to reach maximum height. So what is this? Time taken by the object to reach the ground from maximum height in case of projectile motion. So what is TF? Total time taken by the projectile body to reach the ground. Okay, are you able to see the board? Okay, I will set the camera. Okay, it is clear. Okay, time of flight, time of descent, time of ascent. Right. So next I'm going to find the maximum height. Second one. So what is that? Maximum height. Simply we call a H maximum. Simply we call it as H maximum. So maximum height means, have a look. In case of projectile body, in case of projectile body, the point the point at which the point at which the final velocity of the object, the final velocity of the object along vertical direction, along vertical direction, that is what, ma, along vertical direction means Vy, along vertical direction is 0, is 0. That point from that point from ground, that point from ground is called maximum height. It's called what ma? The projectile body is at a maximum height. So have a look, what is the meaning of maximum height? In case of projectile body, the point at which, have a look, here is a point B, the point at which the final velocity of the object, is zero, final velocity along vertical direction becomes zero, that point from the ground is called, it is at a maximum height, now I'm going to solve the equation of maximum height. Have a look. So we are talking about what ma? Maximum height from the ground means along y direction, So always you should remember that whenever you are finding the equation for time of flight, time of ascent, time of descent, or maximum height, h maximum. So in these two, for these two components, you must take y axis components or vertical components. You have to take what ma? Vertical components. Okay. So time and h maximum in case of projectile ball, whenever you are dealing with these two, you must consider only vertical components. Okay, right. So along y direction we have to take, so what we need, maximum height. Maximum height means what ma? Displacement of the object. So in general, what is the meaning of displacement? S is equals to ut plus half at square. S is equals to ut plus half at square. We are finding maximum height along vertical direction, so y. Okay, sorry, not for 2. So acceleration is along y direction. Okay, so sy is nothing but what? Displacement is h maximum. Okay, so uy, initial velocity along y direction, u sin theta. Okay, t, what is t? T is nothing but what? Time taken by the object to reach maximum height. Have a look. Here we have the maximum height point. What is the definition of time of ascent? Time taken by the body to reach maximum height from point of projection. So here we are talking about h maximum. Time taken by the body to reach maximum height from point of projection is called time of ascent. So T is equals to TA is equals to how much more? U sin theta by G. So AY, acceleration due to gravity along y direction, minus G. So from this I'm taken all the components. Okay, right. Substitute these values here. You will get Sy is nothing but H maximum, that is equals to Uy. Uy is equals to U sin theta into T. T is nothing but time of ascent, U sin theta by G. Okay, plus 1 by 2 Ay. What is Ay? Minus G. Minus into plus, minus G T square. T means what ma? U sin theta by G whole square. U sin theta by G whole square. Okay, I'm just substituted all the values here. Here square is there. Have a look. Okay now, right. So u into u square, sin theta into sin theta, sin square theta divided by G. So here minus 1 by 2 G. Here square is there. U square sin square theta, u square sin square theta divided by G square. We have G square. So that is equals to u square sin square theta divided by G minus. So have a look here. G is there. G square is there. 1G get cancelled out. U square sin square theta by 2G. We get u square sin square theta by 2G. So have a look. Here we have u square sin square theta by G. Here we have u square sin square theta by 2G. This is full. This is half. Full minus half remains half. Sir, full half. Yesterday party full half, not that full half. Okay. So this is a full quantity and this is a half quantity. Full minus half, half u square sin square theta by half G. That's it. Any difficulties there? No difficulties there now. So we got the equation for H maximum. What is that ma? U square sin square theta by 2G. Okay, right. Pause the video and write the equation for H maximum. Write the equation for H maximum. 3 2, 1, go. Right. So we got the equation for our formula for H maximum. What is that, ma? H maximum is equals to u square sine square theta divided by 2g. Are you getting? Okay, sir. Any difficulty is there, sir? No difficulty is there now. Are you able to see the board? Okay, it is clear. Good camera, good students, good teacher. Everything is good. All is well. Say all is well. All is well. Right. So we got the equation or formula for H maximum u square sin square theta by 2g. So next we are going to find the last one, that is a range. So third one, what is that? Range. So what is the meaning of range? So range is nothing but the total horizontal distance, the total horizontal distance traveled by traveled by or covered by, okay, traveled by or covered by the projectile body, covered by the projectile body, projectile body is called is called range. Is called what, ma? Range. సో గల్లీలో ఎవడైనా సిక్సర్ కొడతాడు, స్టేడియంలో కొట్టేటోడికి ఒక రేంజ్ ఉంటుంది, రైట్? ఓకే. సో వాట్ ఈస్ ద మీనింగ్ ఆఫ్ రేంజ్? The total horizontal distance traveled by the projectile body. Total horizontal distance. Have a look. From the point here, we are projected an object into the air other than 90 degrees with the horizontal, and it is making projectile motion. So have a look. The total horizontal distance traveled by this projectile body. The total horizontal distance traveled by the projectile body. So have a look. This is the total horizontal distance traveled by the projectile body. Then it is called what? Range. It's called what, no? Range. So this is the total horizontal distance traveled by the projectile body. Then from point A to point C is called what? Range. Is called what, ma? Range. Okay. So what we are talking about? Horizontal distance. These are horizontal distance. Horizontal means x-axis. Now which components you have to take? X components. Only for range you have to take X components. Otherwise for time and maximum height we have to take what, ma? Vertical components. That means Y axis components. So what we have to find? The total horizontal distance traveled by the projectile body. Distance, displacement. So which equation of motion we use? Displacement equation. What is that? Ut plus half at square. So this is along x direction. So the displacement along x, ux, ax. Okay. So displacement along horizontal direction. Sx is nothing but what, ma? Range. The total horizontal distance traveled by the projectile body. Sx is equals to what, ma? Range. Capital R. So we have ux. What is ux? Ux is equals to u cos theta. Right. Time. Which time we have to take? Which time we have to take? So range means the total horizontal distance traveled by the projectile body from point A to point C. So point A to point C, the total time taken by the object to complete a projectile motion. To complete a projectile motion, that time is called time of flight. Time is called what? So here T, the total horizontal distance is this. Time taken to cover this total horizontal distance is nothing but the time taken by the body to complete projectile motion. That is time of flight. That's it. What is time of flight? 2u sin theta by g. That's it. Okay. So what is ax? Acceleration due to gravity along x direction. 0. Just substitute here. Sx, range. Ux, u cos theta. T, time of flight. 2u sin theta by g. 2u sin theta by g. So have a look. Here u is there. Here u is there. U into u square. So here 2 sin theta is there. 2 sin theta. Here cos theta is there. Cos theta divided by g. 2 sin theta cos theta. We have the formula. Since 2 sin theta cos theta is equals to what? Sin 2 theta. 2 sin a cos a. Sin 2a. 2 sin theta cos theta. Sin 2 theta. Just substitute here. So u square sin 2 theta divided by g. So what is this? This is a range. The total horizontal distance traveled by the projectile body is called range. So r is equals to u square sine 2 theta by g. Okay, so pause the video and write the formula. Okay, so next we have the application. Okay ma, 3 2 I'm going to solve the applications based on r p f h max. Okay, 1 go. Right, so we got the formulas for time of flight, h maximum and the range. So have a look. Time of flight, tf is equals to, we got 2u sin theta by g. So this is for time of flight. So next, h maximum, we got h maximum is equals to u square sin square theta by 2g. U square sin square theta by 2g. Next we got range. So r is equals to u square sin 2 theta by g. Right, so these are the formulas we got now. H maximum, range and the time of flight. Okay, so now I'm going to solve the applications. Okay, application number 1, first application. Okay, right, have a look. So the h maximum, height maximum, h maximum is equals to, we got what ma, u square sin square theta by 2g. So time of flight, t is equals to, we got, I'm just taking t. Okay, time of flight is nothing but t. So that is equals to what ma, 2u sin theta by g. Okay, so from this I'm just going to write the equation for u. Okay, so u is equals to, here g comes to this side, it becomes tg Telangana divided by 2 sin theta, 2 sin theta. Are you getting? So from this equation I'm just written u is equals to tg divided by 2 sin theta. It is in numerator, it comes to this side, it becomes denominator. It is in denominator, if it is went to this side, it comes to numerator. Okay, so application number 1 means I'm just finding the relation between h maximum and t. Relation between, write like this, relation between h maximum and the time of flight. So you can write like this. Okay now, right, just substitute here. So let us say this is equation number 1, this is equation number 2. Substitute 2 in 1, substitute 2 in 1. So we got h maximum is equals to what now? So u square, what is the value of u? T g divided by 2 sin theta whole square, u square sin square theta divided by 2g, divided by 2g. So that is equals to, so here tg by 2 sin theta whole square is there. Okay, so t square, it becomes whole square now. So t square g square 2 square 4 sin theta, sin square theta. So into, here we have sin square theta by 2g. Are you getting ma? Okay, so sin square theta get cancel out. Here g square is there, here g is there. So 1g get cancel out. That is equals to, here 2 4, 2 4s are 8. So 1 by 8 into, here g is there and the t square is there. So h maximum is equals to what ma? We got 1 by 8 g t square, 1 by 8 g t square. So this is the relation between h maximum and the time of flight. So if they ask any question based on h maximum, they give some h maximum. H maximum is equals to 15 meters, 16 meters, like that. If they ask find the time taken by the object to reach that 15 minutes, just use this formula, you will get the answer. That's it. Any difficulty is there? So that's why I told you that please concentrate on concept, you will get the formulas. So once if you get the formulas, once if you know the relation between the given terms, then you can do the problem easily. That's why I'm saying please learn the concept and practice the applications, then you can do the problems easily. Is it clear? Any doubt? Okay, so second one, I'm going to find the relation between h maximum and the r. Application 2, application number 2. Okay, so h maximum and r. So we got h maximum is equals to what ma? U square sin square theta by 2g. So range, r is equals to, we got what ma? U square sin 2 theta by g. Okay, so relation between h maximum and the range. Okay na, right. So let us say this is equation number 1, this is equation number 2. Divide equation 1 and 2. I'm just going to divide the equation 1 and the equation 2. So we got a h maximum divided by range is equals to h maximum is equals to what ma? U square sine square theta by 2g divided by range. What is range? U square sine 2 theta by g. Okay na? So have a look. U square get cancel out. G get cancel out. And this sine 2 theta comes here. So you will get sine square theta divided by 2 into sine 2 theta. 2 into sine 2 theta. So here we have sine square theta and here we have 2 into sine 2 theta. Okay. So we got h maximum by range is equals to, have a look, here we have sine square theta is there divided by 2 into, what is sine 2 theta? Sine 2 theta can be written as 2 sine theta into cos theta. Just now I told you the formula. Sine 2a, 2 sine a cos a, sine 2 theta, 2 sine theta cos theta. So have a look, here sine theta is there, here sine square theta is there. So 1 sine theta get cancelled out and we got 2 to the 4 sine theta by cos theta. So here we got sine theta divided by 4 cos theta. Sin theta divided by 4 cos theta. So h maximum by r is equals to, so 1 by 4 sin theta divided by cos theta gives tan theta. Gives what ma? Tan theta. So h maximum is equals to r by 4 tan theta. R by 4 tan theta. Okay. So this is a one form. Okay. So or if you wanted to write in terms of tan theta, so then tan theta is equals to 4h maximum divided by r. 4h maximum divided by r. So 4 into h maximum divided by r. So remember these two formulas are also. So h maximum is equals to r by 4 tan theta, or tan theta is equals to 4h maximum divided by r. R means range. H maximum means maximum height, tan theta. So these equations are gives what ma? Relation between range and the h maximum. Range and the h maximum. Okay na? So next application number 3. So what is application number 3? So I'm going to find the relation between range and the time of flight. Range and the time of flight. So what is the equation for range we have? So range is equals to u square sine 2 theta divided by g, and the time of flight t is equals to 2u sine theta by g. Okay. So say this is equation number 1. This is equation number 2. I'm just dividing equation 1 and 2. So divide t square, divide, I'm just doing like this, divide t square and r. I'm just doing the square for time. Okay na, time of flight, and dividing it with a range. So t square divided by r, t square divided by r. So what is t square? So t value is what ma? 2u sine theta by g whole square divided by r. What is range? U square sine 2 theta by g. Okay. So then t square by r is equals to, so 2 to the 4 u square sine square theta divided by g square. So divided by u square sine 2 theta divided by g. Have a look. U square get cancelled out. So here g square is there. 1g get cancelled out. Here we have 4 na, right? So t square by r is equals to 4 into 4 into sine square theta divided by, here g is there, and this sine 2 theta went to up sine 2 theta. Okay, right. So we got t square by r is equals to, so 4 sine square theta divided by g into sine 2 theta can be written as 2 sine theta cos theta. Are you getting? Sir, yourself you are writing on the board what you are writing, what you are doing. The simple mathematics ma. Okay na, division, sine 2 theta formula, that's it. So nothing to explain here. Okay, I'm just dividing t square by r. So t means 2u sine theta by j square. This is the r value, and I'm just dividing all these things. Okay na. So no difficulty there. Simple mathematics ma. Don't get attention. So here sine square theta is there, sine theta is there, sine theta get cancelled out. Okay, sine theta divided by cos theta. Again you will get tan theta. So 4 tan theta. Here 2 is there. Have a look. 2 ones are 2 twos are. Okay now. So t square by r is equals to 2 by g sine theta divided by cos theta. You will get t square by r is equals to 2 by g sine theta divided by cos theta. you will get tan theta. So here we got t square by r is equals to what, ma? 2 by g tan theta. 2 by g tan theta. If I want to write the equation for range, so range capital R is equals to what, ma? So if g comes to this side, it becomes t square g divided by 2 tan theta. Okay. So range is equals to t square by g 2 tan theta. Are you able to see the board? Okay, it is clear. Right. So these are the three applications: relation between h and time of light, relation between h maximum and r, and here we have relation between r and t. Okay, right. So pause the video and write the notes. Pause the video and write the notes. 3, 2, 1, go. Let's have a look. What is the formula of range? So we have range is equals to what, ma'am? U square sine 2 theta by g. U square sine 2 theta by g. So if I wanted to find the range maximum, where the range is maximum, right? So have a look. Here we have u square into sine 2 theta. Sine 2 theta. Sine function is there. Here we have sine function. So as we know that in a sine function, the minimum value sine theta at 0 degrees. How much? 0. At a 90 degrees, it is maximum. How much more? 1. Sin theta is minimum at a theta is equals to 0 degrees. That is 0. And sin theta is maximum at a theta is equals to 90 degrees. That is 1. This is the minimum value of sine function. And this is the maximum value of sine function. Are you getting? Right. So maximum value in a sine function we get at a 90 degrees. But have a look. Here we have sine 2 theta. Sine 2 theta. So where you will get a maximum value in a sine function? 90 degrees. Have a look. If I substitute theta is equals to 45 degrees. If I substitute theta is equals to 45 degrees. Then it becomes 2 into 45. 2 into 45. Theta is equals to how much more? 45. So here 2 is there. 2 into 45 is equals to 90 degrees. So sin 90 value is how much? 1. Sin 90 value becomes how much more? 1. So 1 is the maximum value for sine function at a 90 degrees. So if you substitute theta is equals to 45 degrees, then you will get range maximum. So R maximum is equals to u square sine 2 into 45 divided by g. So that is equals to u square sine 90. Here you will get how much more? Sine 90 degrees divided by g. So that is equals to u square by g. So what is this? R maximum. What is this, ma? Range maximum. So when range becomes maximum, theta is equals to 45 degrees. Are you getting? Okay, sir. Right. So have a look. Here we have height maximum. So let us say this is the first one and this is the second one. So h maximum is equals to we have what, ma? U square sine square theta by 2g, which is equals to 45 degrees. Okay, what happened? Have a look. So the h maximum is equals to u square by 2g, and just separated this terms u square by 2g into, here we have sine square theta is equals to how much, ma? 45 degrees. So that is equals to u square by 2g into sine square 45. Sine 45 value is how much? 1 by root 2. Here square is there. Square. So that is equals to u square by 2g into 1 square. 1 root 2 whole square becomes 2. Root 2 whole square value is how much, ma? 2. So 2 to the 4. So we got h maximum is equals to how much, ma? U square into 1, u square divided by 2 to the 4 into g. H maximum is equals to how much, ma? U square by 4. If I write this equation like this, have a look. H max 1 by 4 into u square by g. 1 by 4 into u square by g. Can I write like this? So 1 into u square, 4 into g, 4g, u square by 4g. Again, you will get the same thing. Okay, right? Have a look. U square by g. What is u square by g? U square by g is nothing but range or maximum range. So u square by g is nothing but what, no? Maximum range divided by 4. So we got h maximum is equals to r by 4, range maximum divided by 4. That means at theta is equals to 45 degrees, h maximum at theta is equals to 45 degrees, h maximum is 1 quarter of range maximum, 1 quarter of r maximum or range maximum. Are you getting? So note down. So important, ma. Okay, made of this. Okay. Right. So pause the video and write this part. Okay, next I'm going to solve the time of flight H maximum and the range are at a complementary angles, theta and 90 minus theta. Okay, so pause the video and write the notes. 3, 2, 1, go. Right. So have a look. The next concept and what is that? Time of flight, H maximum and range at a complementary angles. At a complementary angles. So what are the complementary angles? I'm taking theta and 90 minus theta. Theta and 90 minus theta. So first I'm following a range. Okay, so first one. So range. So what is range? What is the formula for range? U square sine 2 theta by G. Okay, so I'm finding the range R1 at a theta. So U square sine 2 into theta means theta only divided by G. So next I'm finding R2 at an angle 90 minus theta. So R2 is equals to U square sine 2 into theta 90 minus theta divided by G. So then R2 is equals to we got U square sine 2 into 90 180 minus 2 into theta 2 theta divided by G. So R2 is equals to U square sine 180 minus theta sine 180 minus theta second quadrant. In second quadrant sine is plus, again you will get sine 2 theta divided by G. Are you getting? I'm just substituting at the place of theta. In the place of theta and 90 minus theta, I'm substituting. That's it. So 2 into theta is equals to 90 minus theta. 2 into 90, 180 minus 2 into theta, 2 theta. Sine 180 minus theta, sine theta. At the place of theta, we have 2 theta. That's it. 2 into 90, 180, 2 into theta, 2 theta. That's it. Okay, have a look. So R1 is equals to we got u square sine 2 theta by g. R2 is equals to we got u square sine 2 theta by g. Both are same. Both are same. That means at a complementary angles. At a complementary angles, range does not changes. At a complementary angles are not changes. Not changes. Are you getting? Any problem? Ma? No problem is there na? No difficulty is there na? Simple applications. Okay. So this is the first one. I'm taking the second one, that is a H maximum. Here I'm taking. So H maximum is equals to we have u square sine square theta by 2g. Okay na? So let us say this is H1. So H1 is equals to u square sine square theta by 2g, and if you substitute 90 minus theta, then H2 is equals to u square sine square 90 minus theta divided by 2g divided by 2g. Are you getting? Are you able to see the board? Okay, right. So right here H1 value is not changes because at the place of theta is there. So here H2 is equals to u square sine 90 minus theta. Sine 90 minus theta means what ma? Cos theta. Here square is there. So cos square theta by 2g. Cos square theta by 2g. Okay, here h1 value is there. Here h2 value is there. I'm just adding h1 plus h2. What is the h1 value? U square sine square theta by 2g. What is h2 value? U square cos square theta by 2g. U square cos square theta by 2g. Okay, right. So take u square by 2g common. U square by 2g common, you will get sine square theta plus cos square theta. So the value of sine square theta plus cos square theta is equals to how much? 1. This value becomes 1. So we got h1 plus h2 is equals to how much? U square by 2g. Okay na? Simple applications. Next I'm finding the h1 into h2. h1 into h2. So that is equals to, what is the value of h1 we got? U square sine square theta by 2g. What is the h2 value we got? U square cos square theta by 2g. Are you getting ma? So u square into u square, u power 4. Here sine square theta is there, cos square theta is there. So it becomes sine square theta into cos square theta divided by 2 to the 4. G into g, g square. I'm just multiplying and dividing this equation with 4. Multiplying and dividing this equation with 4. So have a look. Here we have 4 sine square theta into cos square theta. So 2 sine theta cos theta in general. 2 sine theta cos theta is nothing but what ma? Sine 2 theta is sine 2 theta. Here again I multiplied this term with again 2 sin theta cos theta. It becomes what ma? 2 into 2 4 sin theta into sin theta sin square theta cos theta into cos theta cos square theta. Now 4 sin square theta cos square theta is equals to, you will get sin square 2 theta. That's why I'm just multiplied this equation with 4. Okay, 4 sin square theta into cos square theta. 4 sin square theta cos square theta is equals to what ma? Sin square 2 theta. Okay, so u power 4 sin square 2 theta divided by 4 for the 16 into g square. 16 into g square. Just writing this equation as h1 into h2 is equals to 1 by 16 1 by 16 into u square sin 2 theta by g u square sin theta by g into u square sin 2 theta by g u square sin 2 theta by g. Have a look. 1 by 16 g into g square 16 g square u power 4 and just divided it into u square into u square sin square 2 theta sin 2 theta into sin 2 theta. That's it. Have a look. U square sin 2 theta by g, which formula it is? U square sin 2 theta by g, it is a formula for range. U square sin 2 theta by g, again this is also formula for what ma? Range. So you will get 1 by 16 into range into range, so r into r, so you will get r square. So h1 into h2 is equals to r square by 16. So from this we can write r square by 16 is equals to what na? H1 into h2. Then from this so r square by 16 is equals to h1 into h2. Then r square is equals to, we can write 16 into h1 h2. If square went to that side, it becomes root over 16 into h1 h2. If 16 come from the root, it becomes 4 into under root h1 h2. So range is equals to 4 into under root of h1 and h2. That's it. So this is the relation for what ma? Range and height h1 and h2 at complementary angles. At complementary angles. Okay, right. So next I want to find the time. So t at a complementary angles. Time of flight at a complementary angles. Okay, so theta and 90 minus theta angle. So what is time of flight we got? So T1, I'm writing directly ma. So T1 is equals to 2u sin theta by g, and T2 is equals to 2u sin 90 minus theta by g. So T1 is equals to, you got the same thing, and T2 is equals to 2u sin 90 minus theta cos theta divided by g. I'm just multiplying T1 and T2, T1 into T2. So we get 2u sin theta by g into 2u cos theta by g. Okay, so I'm just writing this equation as T1 into T2 is equals to 2 by g, 2 by g. Here we have u and u into u square. I'm just writing 2 sin theta cos theta divided by again g. Are you getting one? So here 2 by g is there, 2 by g, u into u square. Here 2 is there again. So 2 into sin theta cos theta divided by g. That's it. So T1, T2 is equals to 2 by g into u square 2 sin theta cos theta sin 2 theta divided by g. Okay, so u square sin 2 theta by g, u square here, u square sin 2 theta by g. What is u square sin 2 theta by g? Range. So simply it becomes the formula of range. So we got T1 T2 is equals to 2r by g. So T1 T2 is equals to 2r by g. If you wanted to write r, then r is equals to, so g by 2 into T1 T2, g by 2 into T1 T2. That's it. Okay, so all the application part is completed. Next we will do some example problems. Pause the video and write the notes. 3, 2, 1, go. Right, so here I'm doing the three different example problems. Okay, right, have a look. So the first example, what they are given: an object is projected with an angle theta is equals to 53. Angle of projection given how much? 53 degrees. With initial velocity u is equals to 10 meter per second. Then find the time of ascent, time of descent, time of flight, h maximum, and r is equals to how much, range is equals to how much. They are given g is equals to 10 meter per second. Use g, acceleration due to gravity, is equals to 10 meter per second square. Okay, so can you solve this solution? So pause the video and try the solution. 3, 2, 1, go. I'm going to solve the solution. Have a look. Solution, what they are given. So theta is equals to 53 degrees they are given, and the initial velocity u is equals to 10 meter per second, and the g value given, g is equals to what, 10 meter per second square. So what we have to find, time of ascent. What is time of ascent? U sin theta by g. Time of ascent is equals to what, ma? First one, u sin theta by g. What is the value of u? 10 into sin theta is equals to how much, ma? 53 degrees divided by g value is how much? 10. So 10 10 get cancelled out. Sin 53, the value of sin 53 is how much? 4 by 5 seconds. So time of ascent we got how much? 4 by 5 seconds, as we know that. So time of ascent is equals to time of descent. So what is that? How much? 4 by 5 seconds. Okay, next what we have to find, time of flight. Second one, time of flight is equals to sum of time of ascent plus time of descent. So time of ascent 4 by 5 plus time of descent 4 by 5. So denominator is same, 4 plus 4, 8 by 5. So that is equals to 5 ones are 5 ones are 5, point 3 is there, 30, 5 6 are 30. So time of flight is equals to how much, ma? 1.6 seconds. Any difficulty is there? No difficulty is there, na? Right. Next, what we have to find? H maximum. Third one, maximum height. So what is the formula of maximum height? H maximum is equals to u square sine square theta by 2g. So that is equals to u square. What is the value of initial velocity? 10. Here square is there. So 10 into 10 sine square into sine square. Theta is equals to 53 degrees divided by 2 into g value is 10. So 110, 110 cancel out. So 2 ones are 2 fives are. So h maximum is equals to we got. So 5 into, okay, 5 into sine 53. What is the value of sine 53? 4 by 5. Sine square is there, square, that is equals to 5 into 4 4s are 16 divided by 5 5s are 25. So 5 ones are 5 5s are. So 16 by 5. So 5 ones are 5, 5 3s are 15, point 10, 5 2s are 10. Okay, so h maximum is equals to we got what, ma? 3.2 meters. Okay, are you getting? Simple problems now, no difficulty is there, ma, right? Okay, so fourth one, what we have to find? We have to find the range. So what is the formula for range? U square sine 2 theta by g. U square sine 2 theta by g. So that is equals to, so have a look, here 2 is there, here theta is there. 2 into theta, 2 theta, right? So theta value is how much? 53 degrees. So 2 into 53, 2 into 53, 106, right? So sine 106, we don't know the value. That's why I'm just expanding this term as a u square sine 2 theta can be written as 2 sine theta cos theta, 2 sine theta cos theta divided by g. Okay, so then we will get, here I'm writing. So range r is equals to u square, that means 10 into 10 into 2 into 2 into sine theta. Theta value is how much, ma? Sine 53 into cos 53 divided by g value is 10. Again 10 10 get cancel out. That is equals to 2 tens are 20 into sine 53. What is the value of sine 53? 4 by 5 into cos 53. What is the value of cos 53? 3 by 5. So 5 ones are 5, 5 fours are 20, 4 fours are 16, 16 threes are 48 divided by 5, 5 ones are 5 nines are, okay, 45, 45 plus 3, 36, 9.6. So range is equals to, we got how much more? 9.6 meters. Any difficulty is there? Easy problems now? Okay. So just and take the formulas of time of ascent and descent, the time of flight, h maximum and r, and just substituted the values. What? U, theta, g. Then I got the answers. That's it. Any difficulty is there? No difficulty is there now? Right. Very good. So have a look. What is the second problem they are given? The ceiling of a long hall. The ceiling of a long hall is 20 meters height. So what is the maximum horizontal distance that ball thrown with a speed of 40 meter per second can go without hitting the ceiling of the hall. Okay, so are you understood? There is a hall. So there is a hall. Okay now. So the height of this hall is how much? 20 meters. Okay. So what is the maximum horizontal distance that ball thrown with a speed of 40 meter per second can go without hitting the ceiling of the wall? Okay. So one end of the hall they are projected one ball. Okay. So with velocity how much more? 40 meter per second. 40 meter per second. So what they are asking, the maximum horizontal distance that ball thrown with a speed. So what they are asking, how much distance this ball travels is equals to how much. That means they are asking what ma? Range. They are asking range. So they are given the height of the ceiling of the hall. How much? 20 meters. The height of the wall from the ground. How much? 20 meters. So have a look. This is the maximum height of this hall from the ground. Have a look. Ceiling means that is the top of the given hall from the ground. It is at 20 meters. That means it is what? Maximum height. So they are given maximum height. Are you getting? Solution, they are given maximum height how much ma? 20 meters. Okay, so initial velocity is also given how much? U is equals to 40 meter per second. So if we thrown this object with this much of velocity, then how much horizontal distance it covers? That is the given question. So just we have to find r is equals to how much. That's it, that is the answer. Okay, right. So from this given information they are given g is equals to 10 meter per second square. Okay, so we have the formula for h maximum. What is h maximum? U square sine square theta by 2g. Right, so what is the value of h maximum? 20 meters. That is equals to u square. U value is how much? 40. Square is there, u square 40 into 40 into sine square theta, we don't know the value of theta, divided by 2 into g value is 10. So 1010 cut, 2 ones are 2 twos are 4. Okay, so 2 ones are 2 tens are, so 1010 cut, here 1 is there. So 1 is equals to 4 into sine square theta we got. 4 into sine square theta. From this, sine square theta is equals to 1 by 4. If square went to that side, it becomes root. So root over 1 by 4. Root 4 value is how much ma? 2. Then sine theta is equals to 1 by 2. So then sine theta is equals to, so 1 by 2 can be written as sine 30 degrees. Sine 30 value is how much? 1 by 2. So sine get cancelled out and theta is equals to we got 30 degrees. Next what we have to find? We have to find range. R is equals to how much? So that's it. So range formula. What is the range formula we have? Range is equals to u square sine 2 theta divided by g. So range is equals to u square. What is the value of u? 40. So 40 into sine 2 theta is equals to how much ma? 30 degrees. Theta is equals to 30 degrees. Sine 2 into 30. So divided by g. What is the value of g? 10. So 0, 0 cut. So 4 4 is 16, 160 into sine 2 into 30. Sine 60. That is equals to, what is the value of sine 60? Root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2. So 2 ones are 280s. Okay. So 80 into the value of root 3 is 1.732. 1.732. So this is what range. So that is equals to, so 136 point something you will get. If you take a 1.732, then you will get 136 point something 23 centimeters like. Okay, so this is the maximum horizontal distance traveled by what? This ball. What is that ball? Okay, okay, okay. So 136 meters that ball can travel. Are you getting any doubts? Easy problems, ma. Okay, just we have to substitute the values, given values in formula. Then we will get the answers. Okay, right. So have a look. Next one. Example number 3. A grasshopper can jump maximum distance of 1.6 meters. They are given maximum distance. Maximum distance. So a grasshopper. So grasshopper means, so this is grasshopper. Have a look. Are you getting? This is a grasshopper, right? Okay. So it is jumping. It is jumping maximum distance of 1.6 meters. They are given maximum distance. Have a look. So in one jump, so the maximum distance it covers 1.6 meters. are asking in 10 seconds how much distance it covers. In 10 seconds how much distance it covers, how far it can go in 10 seconds, how much distance it covers in 10 seconds they are asking. So have a look, what is this? This is what? S displacement along x direction we have to find. So in one jump, so have a look, a grasshopper can jump maximum distance of 1.6 meters, maximum distance in one jump, how much? 1.6 meters. That means range maximum. So in a one gem, it covers maximum distance 1.6 meters. That means what, ma? Maximum range maximum is equals to what? U square sine 2 theta divided by g. Already I told you that at maximum, when range becomes maximum, theta is equals to 45 degrees. Okay, so 2 into 45, 90, sine 90 value becomes 1. So u square by g. So r maximum, how much one? U square by g. So r maximum, they are given, what is that? 1.6 meters. That is equals to u square by g value. They are given g is equals to 10. So 10. So if 10 comes to this side, 10 into 1.6, 1.6 into 10, 16. So 16 is equals to u square. Then u is equals to, if square comes to this side, it becomes root. Root 16 value is how much, ma? So finally you will get u is equals to 4 meter per second. Are you getting? If square comes to this side, it becomes root 16. The value of root 16 is how much, ma? 4 meter per second. That means u, the value of u, initial velocity of this grasshopper is equals to how much? U is equals to 4 meter per second, and angle made by the horizontal is equals to how much? 45 degrees. So we got u is equals to this much. Okay, so r maximum u square by g, r maximum 1.6, u square by 10, 10 into 1.6, 16, u square is equals to 16. If square comes to this side, it becomes 4. Root 16 value is 4. That's it. Next, what we have to find? We have to find the sx in 10 seconds, how far it can go, how much distance it covers along x direction in 10 seconds. So we use the equation of motion. What is that? Sx is equals to ut plus half ax t square. Acceleration along x direction 0. In case of projectile motion, acceleration along x direction is 0. So sx we have to find. Initial velocity, we are having initial velocity along x direction. Along x direction, what is that? U cos theta is equals to 45 degrees into time. The time is equals to 10 seconds. They are given t is equals to 10 seconds, g is equals to 10 meter per second square, and just substituted. Here we take ux. So u is equals to 4 ma. Have a look. U is equals to 4 meter per second, and it is theta is equals to 45 degrees along theta side. 4 cos 45. So this is what ux is equals to. That's it. The value of u, how much? 4 cos 45, 1 by root 2 into 10. So 40 divided by root 2. So 40 divided by root 2, you will get this 40 can be written as 2 into 20 divided by root 2. So here 2 is there, divided by root 2 is there. This 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2. So 1 root 2, 1 root 2 get cancelled out, and you will get the answer 20 root 2 meters. It jumps in a 10 seconds, it covers. So it covers in 10 seconds. How much distance? 20 root 2 meters it covers. Okay, so likewise we have to do the problems. Are you able to see the board? Okay, it is clear. So pause the video and write the solutions. 2, 1, go. Right. So this is a example number 4. Have a look what they are given. A particle is projected with a velocity of 10 root 2 meter per second at an angle theta is equals to 45 degrees with the horizontal. Okay, sir. So they are projected one object. Okay. So with an initial velocity, how much? 10 root 2, u is equals to 10 root 2, and it is making an angle theta is equals to 45 degrees with the horizontal. 45 degrees with the horizontal. Okay, sir. What they are asking? Find the interval between the movements when the speed is root over 125 meter per second. So that means they are projected one object, right? So the object is moved like this, and it completes a projectile motion. Okay, so I told you that let us consider this is point A, point B, and this is a point C. Okay, so we are projected the object with a speed u is equals to how much, ma? 10 root 2, and its value is nearly equals to 14.14. Okay, na? 14. Let us consider it is a 14. We are projected the object with a speed 14 meter per second. Let us consider. So root over 125 value is nearly equals to 11 point something 3 we will get. 11.3 you will get. So root over 125 is nearly equals to 11.32 something like that. Let us consider it is a 11. We are projected an object with a speed of 14 meter per second, and what they are asking, find the time interval between the movements when the speed is root over 25 means let us consider 11. Okay. So here the object is projected with 14 meter per second. So from point A to point B, when the object is traveling from point A to point B, its speed will be decreases. Its velocity will be decreases. 14, 13, 12, 11. At this point, the object gets a speed 11 meter per second. That means root over 125. Again 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. At a maximum height, its speed becomes 0. Okay, sir. Again, it is moving towards the ground. So when it is moving from point B to point C, its speed becomes increases. Again 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 12, 13, 14. It hits the ground. Have a look. At this point, the speed of the object is root over 125. At this point also, the speed of the particle is root over 125. So what they are asking? They are asking, so at what time interval delta t? At what time interval delta t? So between the movements, when the speed becomes root over 125. Okay, so here root over 125, here root over 125. So in between these 2 points, what is the time interval? We have to find out. Okay, so right, have a look. They are projected an object. They are projected an object with a speed. Initial velocity u is equals to 10 root 2. It is making an angle theta is equals to 45 degrees with the horizontal along x direction. Ux, okay, is equals to u cos 45. Okay, along perpendicular to this, you will get uy is equals to u sin 45. Theta is equals to 45. Then ux is equals to, what is the value of u? 10 root 2. Cos 45 value 1 by root 2. Root 2 get cancelled out, and ux is equals to 10 meter per second. Already I told you that along x direction, final velocity does not changes. So ux is nothing but what? Vx, ux, both are same along x direction, that is 10 meter per second. Here you will get the same value. Uy is equals to what? U sin 45. U value is how much? 10 root 2. Sin 45 value 1 by root 2. Root 2 get cancelled out, and uy is equals to how much more? 10 meter per second. But when the object is moving in this path, when the object is making projectile motion, at this point, its velocity is how much? They are given root over 125. At this point also, the velocity of the object becomes 125. Now I wanted to find the velocity vector. V bar is equals to Vx I cap plus Vy j cap. Vx I cap plus Vy j cap. So now, if you want to find its magnitude, when we are finding the magnitude, we have to write the coefficient of I cap square plus the coefficient of j cap square, that is Vx square plus Vy square. So they are given the value of velocity. How much? 125. So root over 125 magnitude is equals to under root of Vx square. Vx value is how much more? 10 meter per second whole square plus Vy value, final velocity, we don't know at a given point. So Vy square. Okay. So I'm just squaring the above equation on either side. Squaring on either side. So what happened if we square on either side? Square root cancel. So 125 is equals to, have a look, 10 square, 100 plus Vy square. Okay now. So from this, if 100 comes to this side, it becomes 125 minus 100 is equals to Vy square. 125 minus 100, you will get 25 is equals to Vy square. And you will get Vy is equals to, if square comes to this side, it becomes root. So root over 25. So what is the value of root over 25? Plus or minus 5 meter per second. Sir, why you are taken plus or minus 5? Are you able to see the board clearly? Okay, all these things are clearly visible to you. Right. Sir, why you are taken plus or minus 5 meter per second, sir? Have a look. When the object is moving from point A to point B, its speed is decreases. That means 5 meter per second, Vy is equals to. When the object is moving from point B to point C, its velocity is increases. That is plus 5 meter per second. That's it. So first one, I'm taking off Vy is equals to plus 5 meter per second, and the acceleration due to gravity a is equals to g is equals to, let us take a g is equals to 10 meter per second square. Okay, so a is equals to g is equals to, along y direction you will get minus 10 meter per second square along y direction. Acceleration due to gravity is in downward direction and velocity vector is in upward direction. Both are opposite. That's why here I am taking minus 10 meter per second square. Are you able to see? Oh, right. So we got a Ay value and a Vy value. What we have to find? Time. So T is equals to how much? I'm using the equation V is equals to U plus AT along Y direction Y, Y, Vy. What is the value of Vy? 5. That is equals to Uy. What is the value of Uy? Here we got 10. Here A is equals to, here Ay is equals to how much? Minus 10 meter per second square. So minus into plus, minus 10 into T. Okay, na? So if this 10 comes to this side, it becomes 5 minus 10 is equals to minus 10t. So 5 minus 10 minus 5 is equals to minus 10t. So minus minus cancel out. If 10 comes to this side, it becomes 5 by 10 is equals to t. So 5 ones are 5 twos are. We got t is equals to 1 by 2. T is equals to how much more? 1 by 2. Next again we have a right. Again we have another values. What is that? Vy is equals to minus 5. Ay is equals to again minus 10 and uy is equals to 10. So at this time you will get the time. Let us say this is a time t1. Okay, na? So here we consider time as t2. Again I am using the equation of motion. Vy is equals to uy plus ayt. So uy value minus 5, that is equals to uy how much? 10 plus into minus minus ay 10. Let us say time t2. So if 10 comes to this side, it becomes minus 15 is equals to minus 10 into t2. Minus minus can cancel out and t2 is equals to, you will get 15 by 10. Amma simple mathematics. Okay, na? So you can do. So 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15. We will get 3 by 2. So we got t1 value. How much? T1 is equals to 1 by 2 and t2 is equals to what, ma? 3 by 2. What they are asking? Time interval delta t. Delta t is equals to how much? They are asking time interval. So delta t is equals to how much? T2 minus t1. That is equals to what is t2? T by 2 minus what is t1? 1 by 2. So the denominator is same. Then numerator becomes 3 minus 1 by 2. 3 minus 1, 2 by 2. 2 ones are 2 ones are. So time interval delta t is equals to how much, ma? 1 second. This is the time interval between the two velocities, root over 125 and the root over 125, when the object making projectile motion. Okay. Let's see solve that question. Okay, have a look. A golfer standing on the ground hits a ball with velocity 52 meter per second at an angle theta above the horizontal. Okay, na? So what happened? Have a look. Solution. So there is a golfer. It's a ball. Golfer hits the ball with a speed. How much? 52 meter per second. 52 meter per second at an angle theta above the horizontal. So with respect to the horizontal, he hits the ball by making an angle theta with the horizontal. Okay, sir. Okay. If tan theta is equals to 5 by 12, find the time for the ball is at least 15 meters above the ground. Okay. So same type of question. Okay. Right. Have a look. He hits the ball with a speed of 52 meter per second. So along theta side, ux is equals to 52 cos theta. Okay. So perpendicular to this. So uy is equals to what, ma? 52 sin theta. They are not given the value of theta, but they are given tan theta is equals to 5 by 12. So tan theta is equals to how much, ma? 5 by 12. So I'm already told you about a triangle 5, 12, 13. 5, 12, 13 triangle. So it is like this. Okay, this is 13, this is 5, this is 12. So the angle between 5 and 12 is always 90 degrees. Okay, now. So they are given tan theta is equals to 5 by 12. Opposite side by adjacent side. That means it becomes theta. So from this, tan theta is equals to 5 by 12. So we can find sin theta and cos theta values from this triangle. Okay. So cos theta is equals to, we can write cos theta means what, ma? Cos theta is adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side by hypotenuse. And sin theta is nothing but what, ma? Opposite side by hypotenuse. 13. Just substitute here. You will get ux is equals to 52 cos theta. What is cos theta? 12 by 13. So 13 1 is 13, 13 4 is 52, 12 4 is 48 meter per second. So uy is equals to 52 sin theta. So 52, what is sin theta? 5 by 13. So 13 1 is 13 4 is 5 4 is 20 meter per second. So with this much of velocity, the object will be moves. It makes a projectile motion. What they are asking, have a look. The object makes a projectile motion. So find the time for ball is at least 15 meters above the ground. Have a look. Let us consider when the object is making projectile motion 0 meter, 1 meter, 2 meter, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. At this point, its height becomes 15. Again, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Let us consider maximum height is 20 meters. Again, when it is moving towards the ground, height will be decreases. 19, 18, 17, 16, 15. Again, it becomes 15. So here 15, here 15. So what we have to find? We have to find the delta t. So when the height becomes 15 meters in a projectile. So what is the time interval between these two 15 meters we have to find. So try the solution. You will get a time interval t is equals to 5 seconds. Okay, delta t is equals to 5 seconds. Same method you have to follow. Okay, same method you have to follow and try the solution. You will get a 5 seconds. If you get a 5 seconds, that is a correct answer. Okay, so pause the video and write the solutions. Pause the video and try the solutions. 3, 2, 1, go. Right. So this is the end of the today's lecture. I hope that you are understood. So what is time of flight, what is maximum height, what is range of the projectile body and all these things and applications, and these are the problems. Okay. So we will meet on our next lecture. Until then, stay tuned, keep practice, keep study. And this is Rakesh Kanyanti signing off. Jai Hind.